Hi, welcome to another video from MS Office Guru. We hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Copying sheets. Here we have a student sheet where we enter the exam scores. Now if you want to create the same sheet once again for a different student and having the same formula, the width of the columns, same formatting and everything else similar, we can copy the sheet by right-clicking on the sheet name and clicking on Move or Copy. It will open up a new window where we can select Create a Copy and click on Move to End. This will move the new sheet to the end. When you click OK, you can see there is a new sheet created, and in the brackets there is a number 2. This means that a second version of the sheet has been created. Now we can double click on it and rename it to our desired name, in this case Student 2. Again, selecting the sheet, right clicking on it and selecting Create a Copy and moving it to the end will create a new copy of the sheet. Notice that there is a drop down which shows the file name currently we are on. If you have more Excel sheets open, then you can select one of them to copy this sheet to those files. Or you can create a new file just with this particular Excel sheet in it. For now, I'm keeping this in this Excel file. As you can see, we have multiple students here. There is another way to copy sheets. Click on the sheet you want to copy, press down the Ctrl or the Option key on Mac and drag it. As you drag it, you will notice that there is a small icon right above the mouse pointer which shows a white page with a plus symbol, and you can place it wherever you desire, not just at the end. Thank you for watching the video. Please share this knowledge with your friends, family and colleagues. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.